Promoting Forex affiliate links involves strategic marketing approaches to attract potential traders. Content creation. Produce informative and valuable content related to Forex trading. Create blog posts, articles, videos, or webinars that offer insights, strategies, or market analysis. Share this content on your website, blog, or social media platforms. Email marketing. Build an email list of subscribers interested in Forex trading. Send newsletters, trading tips, or exclusive offers, incorporating your affiliate links where relevant. Social media engagement. Utilize platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook groups, or YouTube to share Forex-related content. Engage with your audience by offering advice, insights, and occasional promotional content. Paid advertising. Consider using paid ads on platforms like Google Ads or social media. Target users interested in trading or finance, using compelling ad copies and visuals to attract clicks. Review and comparison websites. Create review or comparison websites that evaluate different Forex platforms or tools. Incorporate affiliate links with relevant information and recommendations. Webinars or workshops. Host educational sessions or workshops about Forex trading. Use these events to showcase your expertise and provide value while solely promoting your affiliate links. Affiliate forums or communities. Participate in forums or communities dedicated to affiliate marketing or trading. Share insights, advice, and relevant content, integrating your affiliate links where appropriate. Tracking and analytics. Monitor the performance of your affiliate links using tracking tools and analytics. Analyze which strategies drive the most conversions and optimize your approach accordingly.